So welcome back to video 3. In this video I want to talk about what we've just learned, and that is that each time you run this software you will get a different set of shadow query results, typically up to 4 or 5 times, and then it starts repeating. So this is huge. That means we can cover all of these long tail phrases. So for this term, Pest Control Warwick, Rhode Island, you can see here, that's the first run, that's the second run, that's the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and you can see what it's trying to do. And then below that is our simulated results. Now I just want to talk about the simulated results a little bit more. What this software does, when you enter a term in the search parameters field here and you get successful shadow query result returns, they are stored in our database. And let's just say, which is Pest Control Warwick. For everyone who searches for Pest Control Warwick and gets simulated results, all of the different simulated results, and you get shadow query results, all of those from user 1, user 2, user 3, all using the same initial search term, all of those shadow query results are added to the main term in the database. And then the next time someone comes along and searches for that term Pest Control Warwick, our AI adds the entire history of shadow query results to that term before it creates the simulated results, which are here. So these are the current simulated results, but over time, the more we use this software, the better these simulated results will be. And why is that epic? That is epic because all AIs go out to the web when they need to find you the best answer to the question that you are asking. Grok does between 15 and 20 of these shadow query searches. Gemini does up to 500 sometimes if you use deep research. What we've got here, in fact you can expand that, these simulated queries over time are going to get better and better, and they're going to be useful for all the LLMs. This is huge, and this is just going to improve the more we use this software, the more data we collect. Look, these simulated results, I'll show you right now. So you can, these are the shadow query results, 4, 5, and these are the simulated responses. Here's Colin's Dog Training Chicago. It didn't understand the first one. 8.5 out of 10. Dog training. Cole didn't mark it correctly. Use the dog training again. Use the dentist again. Okay, so we got a 9 out of 10 for the simulated results for Dog Training Chicago. Cosmetic Dentist, 7.5. So this is really good because this is the results without the database information injected into the AI that creates these simulated results. I'm getting that software today, so all my testing will go into the database from this point on, and then those results will be injected into the AI that creates the simulated results, which will work amazingly well for ChatGPT, for Gemini, for Grok. So these are the shadow queries that the AIs use to find the best content to supply to you or your customer. And as you can see, they're all incredibly long tail keyword phrases, so we can rank for them in a heartbeat. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the Shadow Query Page Prompt Builder. And that's where we build the individual hyper-optimized listicle pages based on these long-tailed terms, and they will rank #1 in Bing and Google easy for those terms.